kind of levers that they need to pull with their product and their listing to increase their organic rank?
First of all, your listing has to convert. You need to make sure that your listing is beautiful. It can't just be the same as the competitors. You have to try to, outdo them. Because if you're getting traffic to your listing and you're not converting, Amazon's going to see that, and they're not going to want to show you for those words that they tested you out by sending the traffic to. So you need to make sure your listing is beautiful images. Also, you have to have good reviews on your listing. It doesn't have to be thousands and thousands of reviews. More important to have a good review average. Your price has to be competitive. Doesn't have to be the cheapest. You don't want to be the cheapest, but you also don't want to be the most expensive. It has to be something that if people see your listing, the image is going to make them want to click into it, and they're going to see the price, and they're going to see, that it, a couple different uses in the title and in the bullets, and maybe the infographics, and they're going to want to buy it. When Amazon is basically testing you out for a lot of different keywords. Like if you're not looking, I like to use Helium 10, but really any keyword tracker will do. But if you're not tracking where you are, then you can't see, how anything is affecting anything. You can't see, if I had a deal, if I had a lightning deal or a 7-day deal, how did that affect my ranking? Most people don't make money on, Amazon deals when there's a 7-day deal and they're asking to do like a big discount. But it could be very useful if you're showing up on the page 1 or in the middle of page 1 or even the bottom for a lot of different words, and now you have a deal badge. When they're searching those words and they see you with the deal badge, they're going to want to click into your listing and buy it, and Amazon sees you converting on those terms, and then they'll bring you up organically. You have to track it. If you're not tracking, you don't know what's going on.